Ma'am, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ma'am. Article 39, Subsidiary Penalty. If the convict has no property with which to meet the fine mentioned in the paragraph 3 of the next preceding article, he shall be subject to a subsidiary personal liability at the rate of 1 day for each 8 pesos subject to the following rules. If ang isa ka tao is si convict tapos waray dili niya kaya bayadan yun fine nagi-atag ng korte sa iya tungod siya kapoblehon, instead of skipping liability, ang law required siya na if amo yun subsidiary personal liability, amo yun subsidiary penalty usually is imprisonment o amo amo sabdayon is yan ang rate is ang 1 day is for 8 ang 1 day kuno is equivalent sa 8 pesos amo na yun tapos isabguan ang if ang yakon big is how to bali yun ano tawag yun anito yakon big is yakwartahan siya is kinahanglan gihapon niya bayda niya itong fine nagi hatag sa iya ng korte o itong time or itong time na itong time na giserve niya sa prisuhan is dili ito kuan itong time kibali na iya giserve sa prison is dili ito mabaydan itong kibali itong 1 day na 8 pesos dili ito mabaydan pag makwartahan siya akuan kibali substitute dito kay tungod ito na time is dili niya ito kaya baydan ito kibali kuan yun kibali yakwarta pagka kuan niya yakwartahan na siya is kinahanglan gyapon niya baydan iton fine na gihatag ng korte sa iya tapos itong time na giserve niya itong time na giserve niya sa prisuhan dili ito mapalit or wara ito mapalit ng itong kuan dili ito sa mapulihan kibali itong rate na 1 day for each 8 pesos is kuan dito siya yun substitute na kibali ito siya kay tungod na ito na panahon minagi dili tungod siya kapobrehon dili niya kaya baydan naman substitute na ito as 1. If the principal penalty imposed be prison, correctional, or arresto and fine, he shall remain under confinement until his fine referred to in preceding paragraph satisfied. And ang limit ko ini is and the extra jail time cannot exceed ito unlimited ko na the extra jail time cannot exceed 1/3 of the original sentence length. Also, it cannot exceed 1 year maximum regardless of how high the fine is. Example is gisintensyahan siya ng 6 months of aresto mayor plus fine of 10k. Tas ang calculation kibali ini is ang 10k i-divide sa 8, kibali amo ini isa ka adlaw, tas pag divide yon 10k divide 8 is 1,250. Amo na din yun ang days, kibali 1,250 days na kibali yun. Tas and in 1,250 days is about ko na siya 3.5 years. And subsidiary penalty is since 1,250 days is sobra sa 1 year, anya convict ko is iserve niya an maximum of 1 year. Also an 1/3 sa 6 months. Ang 1/3 sa 6 months is 2 months. So the limit is 2 months. 2. But his subsidiary imprisonment shall not exceed 1/3 in the term of the sentence. May ni. And in no case shall it continue for more than 1 year, and no fraction of part of a day shall be counted against the prisoner. Amen to. Tas to when the principal penalty imposed be only a fine, the subsidiary imprisonment shall not exceed 6 months if the culprit shall have been prosecuted for a grave or less grave felony, and shall not exceed 15 days if for a light felony. And limit ini is grave or less grave felony, and max ini niya is 6 months. Ang light felony is ang max niya is 15 days. Ang example case ini is slight physical injuries sa may light felony sentensya sa iya is magbayad siya ng 5k na fine, 5k, tas amon din 5k i-divide sa 8 is 625. Amon din yung days 625. Since na light felony sa ini is ang limit is 15 days. 3. When the principal imposed is higher than prison correctional, no subsidiary imprisonment shall be imposed upon the culprit. The subsidiary personal liability which the convict may be suffered by reason of his insolvency shall not relieve him from the fine in case his financial circumstances will improve, as amended by RA 5465 April 10, 2019. 1969. And rule in is no subsidiary imprisonment kini. No subsidiary imprisonment sa 3 no subsidiary imprisonment. Example ini isa mo itong nisintensyahan siya ng reclusion perpetua plus fine. Ang result ini is if the convict cannot pay the fine, they do not get extra jail time. They just serve their long sentence and the fine remains a debt they owe the state if they ever get rich. Amo iton kuan na pag makwartahan na sila is baydan gihapon nila iton fine na nagihatag sa ila ng court kay yadton ila giserve na gi-equivalent sa 8 pesos isa kuan dito substitute substitute. And sa Article 78, when and how a penalty is to be executed, no penalty shall be executed except by virtue of a final judgment. Waray kuno penalty nga mahatag except kuno sa kuan final judgment na. How example gibalyon is ang judge kibali is ga hatag na ng final judgment ngadto na dayon kuno magsugod ang penalty, pero kung wala pa maghatag wala pa mag kuha ng judge ng final judgment is waray kuno penalty na mahatag. Tas Article 79, suspension of the execution and service of the penalties in case of insanity. When a convict shall become insane or an imbecile after final sentence has been pronounced, the execution of said sentence shall be suspended only with regard to the personal penalty, the provisions of second paragraph of Section 1 of Article 12 being observed in the corresponding cases. If ang isa anya convict kuno is after kuno ng final judgment is yon yabuang gibali bitaw siya is ang the execution said kuno is kuan ang iya sentence gibali mas suspended na ay masuspended na iton gibali iton siya diyon siya kuan personal penalty masuspended na ayon tungod kay amay ito niya buang siya. When an accused becomes insane at the time of the commission of the crime, he is exempt from liability. Tungod siya pagka buang is ma-accept siya sa criminal liability. Tungod kay waray kay buanan ang kibali ito niya buang ang may mental disorder kuno is wala kibuanan sa punishment. At the time of the trial, the court shall suspend the proceedings and order his confinement in a hospital until he recovers in his reason. Ini kibali nga ni is ang korte is isuspend na niya ang proceedings and ma-confine na siya ngadto sa mental hospital until na makarecover siya sa iya mental disorder. At the time of final judgment or while serving sentence, execution is suspended with regard to the personal penalty only. If he recovers his reason, his sentence shall be executed unless the penalty has prescribed. Ang nga ni kuno is yadton to niya suspend aniya amay to niya suspend aniya personal penalty tungod sa iya pagka insane. If makarecover na kuno siya sa iya reason, makarecover na siya sa iya mental disorder, magpadayon gihapon itong penalty na gihatag sa iya. Magpadayon gihapon itong penalty na gihatag sa iya after makarecover. And if at any time the convict shall recover his reason, his sentence shall be executed unless the penalty shall be prescribed in accordance with the provision of this code. May tunduan if ang convict kuno is ika-recover na siya sa iya rason na ito niya buang siya after final judgment is magpadayon na itong sentence na gihatag sa iya unless the penalty kuno shall have prescribed. The respective provisions of his section shall also be observed if the insanity or imbecility occurs while the convict is serving his sentence. Article 80, suspension of sentence of minor delinquents. Whenever a minor under 18 years of age of either sex be accused of a crime may example na sa Article 79. Ang example ko kibali si Bitonyo Kibali was gisintensyahan siya ng 5 years in prison while kuno waiting na ma-transfer while waiting or after kuno sa final judgment is suffer siya ng severe mental breakdown and amoy iton siya iton insane or buang. Tungod sa yaon iton sa suffer siya sa severe mental breakdown, dili na siya ma-proceed sa dili siya ma-proceed sa prisuhan. Dili siya ma-proceed sa ngadto na siya dalon na siya ngadto sa mental hospital. Hantod sa kuan, yun makarecover si Bitonyo. After ko nang kuan, if after 2 years ngadto na siya dayaw sa iya pagka insane, mobalik ko na siya ngadto sa presuhan, tas iserve iton remaining kuan 5 years iton kuan sentensya sa iya. Tas 2 years na siya, 2 years after siya dayaw, i-serve ko na gyapon niya itong remaining 3 years na gisentensya sa iya. Article 80, suspension of sentence of minor delinquents. Whenever a minor under 18 years of age of either sex be accused of a crime, the court, after hearing the evidence in the proper proceeding, instead of pronouncing judgment, shall suspend all further proceedings and shall commit such minor to the custody or care of a public or private, benevolent or charitable institution established under the law of the care, correction, or education of orphaned, homeless, defective, and delinquent children, or to the study or care of any responsible person in any other place subject to visitation and supervision by the Public Welfare Commissioner or any of his agents or representatives, if there be any, or otherwise by the superintendent of public schools or his representatives, subject to such condition as prescribed herein below, until such minor shall have reached his majority, or for such less period as the court may deem proper. And ini ko na law is ma-apply da sa iya ka commit na crime na below 18 years old, amoy inin mga minor. After agibali niya ka commit na minor, imbis na prisuhon sila, isuspend ng court ang kuan, isuspend ng court ang sentence tungod kay minor sila, and gihatagan nila ng minor ang second chance na magbag-o og i-guide sila. And an minor sab is masingod ngadto sa kuan government or private youth institution na magbantay sa ilang adto. Ang goal lang ini is ma-rehabilitate ang isa ka minor or isa ka minor na commit ng crime, ma-rehabilitate, mabag-o, dili hatagan ng kuan punishment. O ansa nga di isaban ang pagsuspended sila is until kuan na ko until sa 18. O nga in why this law exists, because kuan children are still developing, so the law gives them a second chance to change instead of treating them like adult criminals. An example ko ini is a 16 years old steals a cellphone, instead na prisuhon sila, ang korte gisuspend ang sentence sa minor, and ang minor is mabutang ngadto sa rehabilitation center, o ngadto siya mag-studies, receive counseling and disiplinahon, and ibaw sila magdisiplina nila kaugalingon, or disiplinahon nila kaugalingon. If magtarong sila ngadto sa rehabilitation center, pwede sila ma-release. Pwede sila ma-release pag abot ng 18, or pag magtarong sila, pwede sila ma-release ng dili pa mag-18. And children in conflict with the law, or CICL, are governed by the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006, Republic Act 9344 as amended by Republic Act 10630. Amoy ini yaton mga minor na yakakomit, mga minor na yakakomit ng mga krimen. Tapos ang maghandle sa ila is under the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006, Republic 9344 amended by Public Act 10630. This means na ang mga minor is i-treat sila lahi ang pagtrato sa ila sa mga tiguwang na yakakomit ng krimen. Mag-focus ini sa pagbag-unan isa ka bata, i-guide an isa ka minor para magbag-o, dili how atagan ng punishment. When the duration of penalty begins. Penalty begins, Article 28, Rule 1. When the offender is in prison, the duration of temporary penalties is from the day on which the judgment of conviction becomes final. And ang sa Rule 1 ko no is magsugod ang sa Rule 1 is magsugod ang penalty when yaon ay final judgment. Example, yaon kibali ang court awan isa ka tao ya guilty, ang isa ka tao ya guilty June 1, tapos ang decision ng final judgment is July 1. Magsugod ko na ang sentence magsugod ang sentence sa July 1. Kung ngadto July 1 ang final judgment, ngadto magsugod ang sentence. Rule 2. When the offender is not in prison, the duration of penalty consisting in deprivation of liberty is from the day that the offender is placed at the disposal of judicial authorities for the enforcement of penalty. Ngani ko no is magsugod ang penalty when the offender is arrested and handed over the authorities to serve the sentence. Example ini is Maria was free while the case was ongoing. After the final decision, she is arrested on August 10. magsugod ang iya sentence kuno is kuan magsugod sa August 10 gayud na the day she was taken to serve. Rule 3, the duration of other penalties. The duration is from the day on which the offender commences to serve his sentence. Magsugod kuno ang penalty nga di. Magsugod ang penalty sa iya pag-serve baya, sa iya pag-serve. Magsugod ang iya penalty sugod sa pag-serve niya. Itong kibali sa final judgment nga na magsugod. Example, si Bitonyo is gisintensyahan siya sa to kuan community service. Magsugod ang penalty is kuan kuno. Magsugod siya is si gasugod siya ng kuanot. Gasugod siya pag trabaho September 5. Ang penalty magsugod isab September 5. Prescribed penalty. An initial penalty as general prescription for the felonies defined therein which consists of a range of period of time. And prescribed penalty ko is kung unoy penalty kuno na yakab penalty kung unay kuno penalty written in the law sa buhat nga krimen, unay kibali unay penalty og ang range of time nan yadto na krimen is amo da sab kuno yadto an ihatag gayud amo da kibali unay tawag yun. Example kibali ang sa commit siya ng theft. Ang example nga sa prescribed penalty is commit siya ng theft. Ang sa theft kuno is amedton 6 months kuno 6 months to 6 years imprisonment. Kung unay kuno penalty nga na sa unay kuno penalty nan sa theft is amo ko na iton ihatag. Prescribed penalty kung unay kuno kabutangan to sa unay kuno kabutangan to amoy da kuno ihatag. Kung unay penalty ngadto na kabutang sa law sa buhat na krimen is amo da sab kuno an ihatag. And imposable penalty after the attending or modifying circumstances have been appreciated. Ang yan sa imposable penalty is after nimo tag yun after kuno gi-consider ng court ang circumstances amo inin mitigating o aggravating tas mag-decide na dayon ang korte kung unoy ihatag unoy i-judge niya sa yaka buhat ng krimen ngani magamit itong mitigating and aggravating. Tapos kung after pag-apply in mitigating o aggravating, bali apply na kung ano yung kaabdanan niya itong pag-judge nan kuan pag-judge nan amo dun 20 of 20 have been proceeded. After magamit itong mitigating and aggravating, ang court kuno is magpili is after ma-apply ito mapili na dahil ang court ng proper period within the range. Magpili na tapos ang sa penalty actually impose a single fixed penalty, also called a straight penalty, chosen by the court. Ansa nga di is fix na kuno ang penalty, fix na straight penalty. How gibalik ito sa impossible after magamit ang mitigating o aggravating, amo na dayon niya ihatag pag gamit na niya to yakapili na dayon ang judge, amo na dayon itong ihatag na kuan, amo na itong fixed penalty dayon, amo yun sa penalty actually imposed magamit simultaneous service. 1. When the culprit has to serve 2 or more penalties, he shall serve them simultaneously if the nature of the penalties will so permit. Ang kuan ko no if inin sa 1 is kung ang penalties is masabay pag-serve, amo ko na isabay dahil pag-serve. Kung pwede ko na masabay isabay. Gibalik example ini, if ang isa ka tao is sentence to jail o magbayad siya fine, samtang yaon siya sa jail is magbayad siya at the same time. Otherwise the order of their respective severity shall be followed. If dili ko no sabay pag serve anyad ton kuan, dili ko no masabay pag serve is unahon na ko no pag serve ang isa ang isa Tapos ang unahon pag-serve is ang pinakataas na kuan. Ibali niya kakumit siya ng ano yung tawag ni? Kumit siya ng duha ka crime. Tapos ang isa kibali is 6 years, tapos ang isa 3 years. Ang unahon niya pag-serve is ang 6 years, tapos pagkahuman na sab ng 6 years, i-serve na sab niya ang 2 years. Threefold rule. 1. Maximum duration of the convict sentence not more than 3 times the most severe penalty imposed. And sangadi is any na rule is ma-apply da if a person is convicted of many crimes and receive several prison sentences. The law limits how long the person can stay in prison. Not more than 3 times the most severe penalty. The total time to be served cannot exceed 3 times the longest sentence among all penalties. Ngano ilagi tanawon highest single penalty, then highest single penalty, then multiply it by 3. Example ng penalties is 10 years, 8 years, and 6 years. 10 sa pinaka taas, times 3 din yun equals 30 years maximum. Even if total is 24 years, 30 years is the ceiling. To maximum duration shall not exceed 40 years. And ang ngani sa to, even if ang highest penalty is mosobra ng 40 years, ngani sa to, maskin mo lapas ng 40 years and penalty is 40 years na gyapon gid niya i-serve. Example ang penalties, tulo ka 20 years, 60 na kay pareha sa sila 20 years tanan, 60 na kay maximum na allowed sa is 40 years. Maski mula pa siya is 40 years dagay niya i-serve. Sa 3, subsidiary imprisonment, this shall be excluded in computing for the maximum duration. Extra jail time for unpaid fine is not counted when computing the maximum. The rule only counts the main prison sentences. Example, 30 years imprisonment plus 6 months subsidiary jail for unpaid fine. The 30 years is used in computing the limit, not the 6 months. Indeterminate sentence law, Public Act 4013 as amended. The intermediate sentence is composed of 1. A maximum taken from the penalty imposable under the penal code considering attendant circumstances. anya di ba ang law is galaong na ang judge gahatag ng duha ka prison terms amo ini minimum ug maximum sentence, and para sa bang prisoner allow hatagan ng chance para sa parole after serving the minimum. Ang sentence mo ini kuan maximum ug minimum. Ang maximum, this is taken from the penalty imposable under the law after considering mitigating circumstances o aggravating circumstances. This is the highest limit the prisoner can serve. And 2, minimum term. This is taken from the penalty 1 degree lower than the penalty prescribed by law. This is the earliest time the prisoner may apply for parole. And whatever number of nature of aggravating circumstances, the court shall impose a greater penalty than that prescribed by law in its maximum period within the limits of each period. The court shall determine the extent of the penalty according to the number and nature of the aggravating and mitigating circumstances and the greater and lesser extent of the evil produced by the crime. Persons criminal liable and rules for the application of penalties. Article 64. Rule for the application of penalties, which contain 3 periods. 3 periods amo inin in cases in which the penalties prescribed by law contain 3 periods, whether it be a single divisible penalty or composed or 3 different penalties, each one of which forms a period is in accordance with the provision of Article 76 and 77. The court shall observe for the application of the penalty the following rules according to whether there are or are not mitigating or aggravating circumstances. A. When there are neither aggravating nor mitigating circumstances, they shall impose the penalty prescribed by law in its medium period. B. When only mitigating circumstances is present in the commission of the act, they shall impose the penalty in its minimum period. When an aggravating circumstances is present in the commission of the act, they shall impose the penalty in its maximum period. With both mitigating and aggravating circumstances are present, the court shall reasonably offset those of one class against the other according to their relative weight. C. When there are 2 or more mitigating crime circumstances and no aggravating circumstances are present, the court shall I. Impose the penalty next lower to the prescribed by law in the period that it may deem applicable according to the number and nature of such circumstances. Different system of penalty relative to the execution of 2 or more penalties impose the same accused. Material accumulation system. No limitation whatsoever, and accordingly all the penalties for all the violations were imposed even if they reach beyond the natural span of human life. 2. Juridical accumulation system limited to not more than threefold the length of time corresponding to the most severe and in no case to exceed 40 years. This is followed in our jurisdiction. 3. Absorption system. the lesser penalties are absorbed by the graver penalties. And principles, accomplices, accessories. Person criminally liable. Tulo ka buok, principal, accomplice, and accessories. Only natural persons can be held criminally liable because only natural persons are capable of acting by means of deficit, by dolo or fault, deceit sa dolo or fault, culpa, and only natural persons can commit crime with person malice and negligence. Also, only natural persons can suffer imprisonment or deprivation of liberty as a form of punishment. Amoro 2013. Ang only kuno ang isa ka natural persons laong na criminal liable tungod sa acting by means sa pag-commit ng ang dolo amuinin with intent o fault or culpa na negligence, ang kapabayaan naman makakomment ng isa ka crime. And only natural persons can commit crime with personal malice and negligence. Grave and less felonies versus light felonies. 1. When the felony is grave or less grave, all participants are criminal liable. 2. When the felony is only light, only the principal and the accomplice are liable. In the commission of light felonies, the social wrong as well as the individual prejudice is so small that penal sanction is deemed not necessary. Principle 1. Any person who directly take part in the execution of a crime, any person who directly induce or force another to commit a crime. 3. Any person who without his participation the crime would have not been committed. Ang principle ko nini is ang isa ka tao na apil siya or kabahin siya sa apil siya sa plano o sa pagbuhat ng krimen, yaon siya sa pagbuhat ng krimen o sa to is yaon niya pugos da or yahagit siya na mukumit ng crime. O sa 3 is amuinin sa yon sayod siya na kibalian niya iban, sayod siya na mukumit ng crime tapos wara siya mo iban, sayod siya na mukumit pero gahilom-hilom na siya, wara niya isaba sa mga otoridad. Principle by direct participation. 1. That they participated in the criminal resolution and that they carried out their plan and personally took part in its execution by it acts which directly tended to the same end. Ang 1 amuinin may participate sa pagbuhat ng krimen. Ang sa 2 is amuyon ilagid giplanuhan And principle by inducement. One is the inducement be made directly with the intention of procuring the commission of the crime. Two, that such inducement be the determining cause of the commission of the crime by the material executor. People versus example in People versus Yamson Dumancas G that are that number two ways of becoming principal by inducement. One, by directly forcing another to commit a crime by using irresistible force, causing uncontrollable fear. Amo ko na ining way becoming principal by inducement ko no is yan, gamitan sila ng force para makabuhat sila ng krimen, o causing uncontrollable fear yan, hadlokon sila para makakomit sila ng crime, hod kibali yan an ila pamilya mula na patayon ng iya pamilya kung dili siya mo commit ng crime, patayon ng iya pamilya kung dili niya patayon tong target ng mga criminal. And two, by directly inducing another to commit a crime by giving of prize or offering of reward or promise. And sa two is amo inin mo commit siya ng crime kay tungod may price na gihatag sa iya or may gi-offer na kwarta sa iya para mo commit ng crime. Principal by indispensable cooperation. One, participating in the criminal resolution that is there is either anterior conspiracy or unity of criminal purpose and intention immediately before the commission of the crime charge. And sa one ko no is participate ko no siya sa pagplano ng participate siya sa pagplano o sa pagbuhat ng krimen. Kung tinabangay sila sa pagbuhat ng krimen, tapos yan niya kadawat siya na iya dawat sa ito na krimen. 2. Cooperation in the commission of the offense by performing another act without which it would not have been accomplished. That there be community of design, that is knowing the criminal design of the principal by direct participation. He concurs with the latter in his purpose. 2. That he cooperates in the execution of the offense by previous or simultaneous act with the attention of supplying material or moral aid in the execution of the crime is an efficacious way as accomplish ko na is sa number 2 is ning cooperate siya pag-execute ng crime by previous or simultaneous acts, o aniya intention is yon may madawat niya na kwarta, may ma-benefit niya kasi 3, that there be a relation between the acts done by the principal and those attributed to the person charged as accomplice. Accessory, those who having knowledge of the commission of the crime, o amo inin ang sa accessory ko no is amo inin may iya knowledge na mo commit ito ng krimen. Sa accessories, appeal siya sa pagplano ng krimen. 2, without having participated therein either as principals or accomplice. maskin wara siya mo wara siya mo tabang sa pagbuhat ng krimen, pero sayod siya na mabuhat sila ng krimen. 3. Take part subsequent to its commission in any of the manners provided by the Article 19 Republic Article 19 Revised Penal Code or RPC by profiting themselves or assisting the offender to profit by the effects of the crime. Amo inin may ila madawat para sa ila kaugalingon or tabangan anitong offender na makabenefit sab sila sa gibuhat nila na krimen. B. By concealing or destroying the body of the crime or the effects of instrument thereof in order to prevent its discovery. Amo yaon sayod na ka na mabuhat ka ng krimen pero waray imo gihimo wala ka agaw mo participate sa ila pero waray imo gipagtakpan mo na sila gipagtakpan. C. By harboring, concealing, or assisting in the escape of the principles of the crime provided the accessory acts with abuse of his public functions or whenever the author of a crime is guilty of treason, parricide, murder, or attempt to take the life of the chief executive or is known to be habitually guilty of some other crime. An accessory is exempt from criminal liability when the principal is his spouse. Number 1 is his spouse. 2 is ascendant. 3 descendant. Ano mo mga mama, papa, mama, papa, yung mama, papa, yung anak ba? Anak. For legitimate, naturally or adopted brother, sister, or relative by affinity within the same degree. Accessories is not exempt from criminal liability even if the principal is related to him if such accessories 1 is profited by the effect of the crime or 2 assisted the offender to profit by the effects of the crime. Amuinin yaon yaka benepisyo sila sa ila gibuhat na krimen o gitabangan mo sab ang offender na makabenefit sa ila gibuhat na krimen. O extinction of criminal liability, partial extinction, total extinction. Extinction of criminal liability, section 1, total extinction of criminal liability, article 89. How criminal liability is totally extinguished? Criminal liability is totally extinguished 1. By the death of the convict as to the personal penalties and as to pecuniary penalties. Liability therefore is extinguished only when the death of the offender occurs before final judgment. Two, by service of the sentence. 3, by amnesty, which completely extinguishes the penalty and all its effects. 4, by absolute pardon. It is the total extinction of the criminal liability of the individual to whom it is granted without any condition whatsoever resulting to the full restoration of his civil rights after serving the max sentence. 5. By prescription of the crime and by prescription of the penalty. 7. By the marriage of the offended woman as provided in Article 344 of this code. And Article 9, Article 9, classes of felony, and Article 25, classes of penalty. Degree of penalty. Article 27, duration of penalty. Article 90, prescription of crime. Article 92, prescription of penalty. Article 39, subsidiary penalty. 1 day, or ang aminiton 1 day is equivalent to 8 pesos with no property to meet the fine. Kung waray itong pobre na sila tas di niya kaya baydan na yun. Kung qualified siya sa subsidiary ba gani. Article 125 is ang grade felony. Aniya classes of penalty is capital punishment, afflictive penalty. Ang degree of penalty niya is death abolished by RA 934, reclusion perpetua, reclusion temporal o prison mayor. And duration ng iya penalty is 40 years 1 day to 40 years, 12 years and 1 day to 20 years, 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. Ug ang iya prescription of crime is 20 years, 15 years. Ug ang iya prescription of penalty 20 years, 15 years. Ang iya kuan is higher than PC, no subsidiary penalty. Hindi tas 36 hours. And less grave felony and iya classes of penalties, correctional penalty. And degree of penalty, prison correctional, arresto mayor, suspension and destierro. Ang duration niya is 6 months and 1 day to 6 years, 1 month and 1 day to 6 months. And prescription of crime is 10 and 5 years, 10 years and 5 years. And yeah, penalty is 10 years and manigawon 5 years. O PC, arresto and fine not not kuan ini not less than 1/3 of their term but not less than 1 year. 18 hours fine only. G and LG 18 hours. Light felony and yet classes of penalty is light penalty. And degree of penalty, arresto minor, public censure, and duration is 1 day to 30 days. And prescription of crime 2 months, libel 1 year, defamation defamation 6 months, and prescription of penalty 1 year, and 12 hours. Article 91, compilation of prescription of offenses. The period of prescription shall commence to run from the day of which the crime is discovered by the offended party, the authorities, or their agents, and shall be interrupted by the filing of the complaint of information, and shall commence to the run again. Then such proceeding terminate without the accused being convicted or acquitted or are unjustifiable stop for any reason not imputable to him. Article 93, compilation of the prescription of penalties. The period of prescription of penalties shall commence to run from the date when the culprit should evade the service of his sentence, and it shall be interrupted if the defendant should give himself up, be captured, should go to some foreign country with which this government has no extradition treaty, or should commit another crime before the expiration of the period of prescription. Section 2, partial extinction of criminal liability. Article 94, partial extinction of criminal liability. Criminal liability is extinguished partially. 1. By conditional pardon. It is the conditional exemption of a guilty offender for the punishment imposed by a court after serving one half of max sentence. 2. By commutation of the sentence. It is the reduction of the period of a prison sentence. 3. For good conduct allowances, which the culprit may earn while he is serving his sentence. Parole. For parole consists of the suspension of the sentence of a convict and serving the minimum term of the indeterminate penalty. That's all. Thank you, ma'am.